Antonia!
Welcome back to another tea party video.
So, we're going to talk about makeup and beauty.
Yes.
And some of you might not know, some of you do know, that I'm a makeup artist as my profession. Tony is too. And Farrah knows a lot about makeup as well, I would say.
Yeah, I mean, I've learned a lot from you and Dean and Tony over the years from makeup and stuff. I mean, obviously, they do my makeup a lot, but I can do my own makeup, and most of my videos and pictures are me doing my makeup, so I have a fair understanding about
She's
it.
good. She knows how to beat that face.
Yeah, I can beat a mug.
Snapchat.
I'm so lucky that I have so much makeup as well.
And she has a lot.
So I have all my stuff that's in my kit, my professional kit, and then I have stuff that I use on myself, and a lot of it is the same. I'll just get doubles for myself. Tony is probably the biggest makeup junkie on you out of all of us.
Yeah, she's the one that goes and buys all the different things that come out all the time.
She's addicted. And also Tony does like makeup for cross-dressers, transvestites, like a dressing service, which...
Transgender people.
Uh-huh.
The whole umbrella of trans. It's one of my niche clientele. And I also style them as well, so I help them with their clothing from head to toe. From hair to what they wear on their feet as well.
Who knew she was a stylist? Although I do enjoy this number.
I'm actually
this
wearing
is a good number, I think.
one of your dresses, girl. So
No.
I'm not going to
She's
take.
coming out now.
But let's jump into the products that we love.
Yes.
So here we go. Okay, so the first favourite is from Miss Farrah Mills. What is it?
It is my Charlotte Tilbury brow gel, and I've been wearing it every day all year. Love it. It holds it sets your brows after you finish doing your eyebrow pencil or whatever you use to do your eyebrows. And it literally holds your eyebrows in place all day. Even when it's really, really windy. My eyebrows...
Through rain and
because
shine.
you know sometimes you do your eyebrows and you get this little bit of hair that's like hanging down.
She's big on her eyebrows.
Big on
Farrah's the
eyebrows.
eyebrow queen, I would say, out of all of us.
My eyebrows are really important to me, so they frame my face. If the eyebrows are wrong, then the rest of the makeup looks terrible, I think, on me.
My one is called the Instant Look in a Palette, and it's a 5-minute face on the go natural beauty palette.
Not for me.
So it's got all very natural colours, and you can't really go wrong with this. If you were like a newbie at makeup and you were scared, you could even do your makeup like in unnatural lighting and stuff with this.
Let me see.
You've got your highlighter, you've got your
Blusher.
very subtle bronzer.
Day makeup, isn't it?
Okay, one of my favourite products this year is from My Kit Co. So a lot of makeup artists will know this brand, and they specialise in like equipment, makeup bags, storage for professional makeup artists, but it's also really good for just everyday people. And they do these
Makeup
empty,
enthusiasts.
yeah, they do these empty palettes, which you can fill with whatever you want. But yeah, they're really good. So you can decant some of your products, depot some of your products, and it saves a lot of space. So obviously designed for makeup artists, but great for just makeup lovers that have too much makeup.
And I suppose
herself.
good on the go as well, like if you want to change stuff out for travelling.
Yeah, when we do shows, if we have to travel, and I always have like a couple of smaller palettes that I decant things into. They do some really, really good like brushes too, which I haven't really used yet, but they do some makeup bags. It's a really good brand, and I love these. Okay, number 2. What's Farrah's number 2?
My number 2 is not, well, it's not really makeup, it's skincare product.
Oh,
But,
okay.
yeah, my friend and makeup artist who helps me with my makeup sometimes, Mr. Dean Woodman, he recommended me using this Bare Minerals, well, I don't even know how to pronounce that.
Elixir.
To be honest. It's kind of like
An elixir.
It's like a skin oil, like a 5 oil blend. And it's really good for when you're taking your makeup off afterwards, or just when you have makeup-free days. Like, it smells really nice as well.
Let me smell it.
And you only need like a tiny little pipette, so it will last you forever. You just warm it up into your hands, and it smells gorge.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's really nice.
She didn't like the smell.
It just makes your skin feel
Tony
really
didn't like
nice.
the
It
smell.
reminds me of those
Available now.
Arden, those ceramide capsules by Arden. Right, so number 2
For Tony.
for me is gonna be
My
I
moisturiser.
love, as we're talking about skincare, I love 7 Effects by
Oil of
Olay.
Olay. It used to be called Oil of Yulay, do you remember?
It did, yeah, back in the day.
The oldies will know that.
The old
Remember
nuts
that?
are-
I can't get enough pumps of these sweets. I love them, and I love the soapy smell that it's got.
Wait, is that your favourite skincare product
Well, yeah,
of the year?
it's-
At the moment, yeah.
It smells really, really nice.
This isn't
actually.
supposed to be at the moment, this is supposed to be all year.
Yeah, I've been using this a lot. This is like my third pot. It's called 7-in-1 Total Effects by Olay. And it's gone down in price.
Get it at Boots, get your points.
It used to be like £25,
Oh my god.
and then you had to always wait for it
That's
to be
more
on
expensive.
offer.
Yours is more expensive than that.
But now
Cheap.
it's £15, $14.99. So it's really gone down in price and it's really good product.
She likes a bargain. So my second favourite is Kevin Aucoin, the Volume Mascara. This mascara does not come off. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake. You can do whatever you want in it. You can stay up all night.
You can do an all-nighter.
Does it go well with
Amazing.
fake lashes?
Yeah, it goes really well with fake lashes. And it has a tiny little brush.
Oh, that's nice.
So you can get in at the root. But super black, super pigmented, not clumpy. And it comes off with warm water, so you go like this, and it comes off in tubes. So really easy to take off, but it doesn't move.
So is it like waterproof mascara?
Well, it's weird because it comes off with warm water, but only warm water.
That's very advanced, you know.
Okay,
Yeah,
so if
it's
it
made in
rains,
Japan, it's
gonna come
amazing.
off.
So if you need a mascara that stays on, if you're going to be doing lots of activities, get this.
You're gonna sweat like a pig.
Okay, so I think that we're going to keep it really brief. We'll do another one. We'll do another video if you guys want to see it about beauty and makeup, and we're going to do some how-tos and aren't we?
Yeah.
girls?
Oh, can I
Yeah.
go? But I want to say my favourite lip products at the moment is what I'm wearing at the moment. This that our friend Ria got from North Korea.
North Korea.
You mean South Korea?
Oh,
dear.
alright, start again.
She got it from South Korea.
Alright, it's a friend from South Korea. I've not been there, I don't know.
Oh my
Don't
god.
even involve me in the politics of it all,
So
okay?
my friend Ria lives in Seoul, in South Korea, and she got some makeup for us. And
Yeah, so
So
this
you
is
won't really
like,
be able to buy it unless you go there. but-
basically this is like one of the original liquid lipsticks that came out, and then I don't know
but
what
it's not
brand
matte,
it
is it? It's
No,
glossy.
but I literally I paint my lips in with this, get the shape that I want, and then I colour it in like a colouring
She's all about
box.
lips, Tony.
And I
But
literally
we'll do a whole
put
video
a
of
tiny
her.
bit in, and I just
Yeah.
do this
We can
with my
fill a
finger.
whole 5 minutes of her doing it.
And then it's done, but the red is delicious.
So get it now in North Korea. I think that wraps it up. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.